Jai Hind, dear students. Once again, welcome to your mathematics class. In our previous class, we have discussed few questions from the exercise 8.2 of your NCERT book. In continuation with the same, today also we will discuss questions from this exercise. So let us begin with the very first question of today's class. So in today's class, we are starting with the question number 9 first. It says Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the mark price. So here what are the things given? Here the given price is 1600 which the customer has paid. That means this is the selling price of these skates. And also the discount is given as 20%. So now this question can be solved in three different ways. One is directly by using the formula for mark price which we have discussed in the previous lectures. Another by using linear equation by taking the original price as x and then simplify it further. And the third one is by using unitary method. So here we have taken in today's lecture three different questions, and in three different type of questions we will discuss that how these three methods can be applied. So for this question we are going to use the formula for calculating the mark price. So let us begin with the solution. So what do we have? We have the selling price of the skate as rupees 1600 and the discount percent is given as 20%. So we know that the formula for calculating the marked price when the selling price and discount percent is given is this. That is, mark price is equals to 100 upon 100 minus discount percent multiplied by selling price. So here we know the discount percent as 20% and the selling price as 1600. So we will simply substitute these values in this formula and can find out the value of the mark price for the pair of skates. So we will substitute the same. Discount percent as 20 and selling price at 1600. 100 minus 20 it becomes 80 and then we simplify it. So once we simplify we will get the original price of the pair of skates before the discount was given as rupees 2000. So the mark price of the pair of skates is rupees 2000. So this is how we can solve this question with the help of the formula of calculating mark price percent and the selling price is given. Now we will move on to the next question, and in the next question we use linear equation. That means we consider the unknown quantity as x and then can simplify it further. So let us begin with that question. This is question number 10. It says I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% of VAT. Full form of VAT is value added tax. We need to find out the price of the hair dryer before the VAT was added. So 5400 is the price of the hair dryer which contains its original price, plus in addition to it there is a VAT of 8%. VAT is always added to the cost price and it is given by the customer who are purchasing them. So let us begin with the solution. So as I said, I will solve this by using the procedure of the linear equation. So the unknown variable x over here is the price of the hair dryer without including the VAT. So I have considered that the price of the hair dryer before the VAT was added was rupees x. Now on rupees x we have to pay 8% as the VAT. So the VAT will be 8% of X, which when we simplify will gives us 8x by 100. If you wish, you can simplify this a little bit also. I have kept it like this. We will simplify it at the end. Now if I want to find out the total price which includes the VAT when the price of the hair dryer was X, then I will have to add its original price plus the amount of VAT which has to be added to the original price of the hair dryer. So it will be X plus 8x by 100. So the total price of the hair dryer or the selling price of the hair dryer will be X plus 8x by 100. According to the question, it is said that the total price of the hair dryer is 5,400. According to our calculation, the total price of the hair dryer including VAT is X plus 8x by 100. What I mean to see over here is that 8x by 100 plus x and rupees 5,400, both of them are representing the same thing, that is the selling price of the hair dryer. So we can equate both of them. So therefore, according to the question, we can write x plus 8x by 100 is equals to 5,400. First of all, we will take the LCM in the left hand side. So the LCM will be 100. And then if we simplify it further, we will get 100x plus 8x by 100 plus is equals to 5,400. 100x plus 8x is equals to 108x. So you will get this 108x by 100 is equals to 5,400. What we require in this is the value of x that will gives us the price of the hair dryer before the VAT was added. So we will shift this 108 by 100 to the other side. We know that when we shift it becomes reciprocal. So we get the value of x as 5,400 multiplied by 100 upon 108, which on simplification gives us the value of x as rupees 5,000. So it gives us the value of the hair dryer before the VAT was added, and that is rupees 5,000. So the final answer will be the price of the hair dryer before VAT was added was rupees 5,000. So in the first example, we used the formula. In this example, we have used the method of linear equation to solve this question. In the next one, we are going to use unitary method to solve that question. Remember, all these three questions can be solved in any of the three methods. Now, whichever method you like is easy for you, you can apply that method and can simplify it. The only thing is that you have to do all these steps correctly. So now we will move on to the next example for this class. So the next question is, an article was purchased for rupees 1,239 including GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. GST is goods and service tax. It is again added to the cost price of the article. So again we have 1,239 as the total price of the article in which the GST is already included. So we will simply again use the can use the formula or can use the method of linear equation to solve this, but this time we are going to use unitary method. So let us proceed with the solution. Now what if I consider the original price of the article as rupees 100? If I consider the original price of the article as rupees 100, then GST of 18% has to be added to this rupees 100. So in that case, the GST will be 18%, that is 18 rupees for 100 rupees. So the price of the article when the GST is added will be 100 plus 18, that is equals to 118 rupees. So if the original price is 100, after including GST, the price will be 118 rupees. So now we use the unitary method to simplify. So here it is. When the selling price is 118, then the original price is 100. When the selling price will be rupees 1, then in that case the original price will be 100 by 116, as we know that we used to do it in this way by using the unitary method. So it will be 100 by 118. In the question it is given that the price of the article including GST is 1239. So when the selling price will be 1239, in that case the original price will be 100 upon 118 multiplied by 1239, and then when we simplify it, we will get the original price of the article without GST as rupees 1050. So we got that the price of the article before GST was added as rupees 1050. So in today's class, we all have discussed three different ways to solve a question. You can solve these questions in any of the ways you found is easy. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that your calculation should be correct. With this, we come to the end of the today's class. We will meet in the next class now with some more topics of the same chapter. Till then, happy learning. Jai Hind.